Have you recently noticed when you're using your iPhone that the text is shrinking? If you feel like the text is too small to work comfortably on your iPhone, then watch this video for a quick tip on how to increase the size of your text. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is open up Settings and then go to the second section where you'll see Accessibility. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to scroll down to the third item, which is Display and Text Size. Go ahead and click that. And you will have the top two choices, which is what I suggest. I suggest you turn bold text on like that, and then click on larger text. You want to toggle on large accessibility sizes. That's the first thing. And then look down at the bottom where you can change the size to your needs by sliding the slider to something that's comfortable. As you use your phone, you should notice that the text is more comfortable. Now, if you are on a website and you notice that the text is still too small, here's an easy fix. In the URL at the far left, you're going to see a rectangle with two lines. Go ahead and press on that. Click on 100%, and you'll see a little a and a big A, and go ahead and press that until it's the size you need, and you can change it back as you need it. I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and click the like button below. And I have a gift for you. In the comments, you will see a link that gives you a free PDF for the directions to increase the text size on your iPhone. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. And don't forget to share. And if you're interested in supporting a small channel, go ahead and join my channel as a member. See you next time.